Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can hack the Uber airport rides to make upwards of $50, $60, $70, even $100 per hour driving for Uber. Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity that I believe everyone should be taking advantage of right now. It's the Faceless YouTube channel program. Okay, this is a program that I created where I will teach you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel and show you how I've been able to make over $10,000 per month. As you can see, I've made over 10 grand a month each month for the past year, honestly, like the past 5 years. And it was how I was able to buy my house, how I was able to get out of debt, pay off my credit cards, and buy a car, in cash, all that stuff. So if you want to learn how to do it, you don't need any experience. Right now is the best time to get started because it's super, super easy. You just need to put in a little bit of time and effort. And there's a 30-day free trial right now if you want to try it out with no risk for 30 days and see if you like it. If not, cancel. But if you like it, stay, and I'll help with your page and help you get monetized and start making money on YouTube. All right, so with the Uber airport hack, basically, I'm just gonna give you the lowdown. Don't ever wait in the airport queue. If you're an Uber driver, don't go sit in the airport lot because you will be wasting so much time. There's a hack on how you can skip the line, but not only skip the line, but how you can get double airport rides back to back. And by doing this, you will actually be hitting some crazy hourly earnings, because if you're using this technique, basically you're able to stack up airport rides, and we all know airport rides pay the most, right? They're usually going the farthest. They usually tip you because you want to make sure you help load their luggage. Okay, whatever you do, get out your car, open the door for them, load their luggage. All right, people who are flying, they have cash in them, they're ready to tip you, because that's just the normal thing to do. Is you tip your taxi driver, you tip the person at the airport. And so there's the tipping culture, like the PSA, the people who we push around people who are disabled. They push them around and they tip them. Or people who load your bags, if you check in outside, not inside the airport, but if you check in outside, you tip them. You always throw them a few bucks. So it's just like, you're basically like valet at that point. So airport rides is where you want to be, but you don't want to wait in the airport queue. But you always want to make sure you take their baggage for them, take their luggage. Obviously make sure that they're comfortable with it, but they should be comfortable, because they literally just had people thrown around their luggage. I'm sure they're comfortable with you putting their luggage in your car, right? You don't really need to ask them, but it's polite to ask. So basically the way you want to do this, guys, is you want to find an area where it's, I would say, around 30 minutes from an airport. You know your town better than I do. Here, I'm in Orange County, so we have Long Beach Airport, we have San Diego Airport, we have LAX, and we have Orange County Airport. And we have Ontario Airport. So really we have 5 airports that people fly out of, but the most popular ones is gonna be LAX, Long Beach, and Orange County. And then every once in a while I've gotten San Diego Airport rides, and those ones are really good because it's like an hour from me. But people book all those airports based on how cheap the flight is, and then you'll get the ride down there. So you want to make sure you don't want to be right by the airport, guys, because if you are right by the airport, you're going to get a bunch of little airport rides, and you want to make sure you're getting the 30 to 40 minute airport rides, because those ones you can get 50 bucks and you get a tip. You're talking 60, 70 bucks in less than an hour. And sometimes you can even get 2 of those. And the way this works is, once you hang out, find an area that people have money, people are flying, and people are getting out of town a lot. People have money to leave, but it's around 30 to 40 minutes, like a suburb from the airport. Hang out in that area, get a ride to the airport, And then once you get in, at least in my experience, it's allowed me to skip the queue. And then since you're already there, they pair you up with somebody leaving, arriving. Sorry, you're taking people departing. Then you pick up somebody arriving. So you don't need to wait in the airport. You're getting a ride in and you're getting a ride out, and you skip the line. And that way you're getting, boom, airport rides, airport rides, airport rides. And if you're lucky, that ride will take you right back to another surrounding town that's like 30 to 40 minutes, because people are flying in and out. So you want to make sure. And then if you, let's say you get a really short ride outside of the airport, like it's only 10 to 15 minutes, turn off your app and drive 20 to 30 minutes to one of those surrounding areas and just do boom, boom, boom all day long. Now, the trick is, guys, the trick to this is the best time to do this is at 4 a.m., starting at 4 a.m., because there you will get so many airport rides at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., because there's not a lot of drivers out, and people really need an Uber at this time if they have an early flight. So you want to make sure you're on, and when you're up at 4, deny all the short rides. You'll see it'll say 45-minute plus, or it'll show you, oh, this is going to the airport. So you might need to, if you wake up at 4 a.m., deny a couple of the small ones and wait for a big ride, and then boom, $50, $60, $70 with tip. Get your other one, get off, boom. Do that couple times. You're already up $200 by 8 a.m. And then now you're just chilling. Take a break, go get coffee, go get a yogurt, a little breakfast, couple eggs, and then go right back into that. So that's the airport hack on how to make upwards of $75 an hour. It works. So many people do this, guys. Don't wait in the airport queues. Make sure you have your not LAX. That's just my airport, that you have to have a placard so you don't get tickets. Make sure you have your placards. Make sure you know the pickup areas. Make sure you know the drop-off areas. I'm pretty sure most airports you can just drop off right at the terminal, but some airports are strict with that. I think it's more so the pickup areas that you need to pick them up at a certain location. It'll tell you in the app where to go. And then that way you won't get any tickets or anything. So those are my tips. Let me know your thoughts. And again, if you're interested in the Faceless YouTube channel, you can click the link below and start a 30-day free trial right now to see how I've made over $10,000 per month on YouTube with the Faceless YouTube channel. Just on one of my channels, I've been making over $100,000 a year, and I have several channels. So get that 30-day free trial link below. Otherwise, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.